y'all, today I went out there to my garden and I seen that my oregano plant was, some of the limbs were kind of leaning a little bit, so I knew it was about time to cut them. I went and got a pair of scissors, and just above the new growth I cut. And I'm going to tell you, I'm very surprised on how much I got off this one plant. This is just one plant, y'all. What I'm going to do is I am going to wash this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I rinsed them, I set a towel out, and I spread them apart so they could dry. Maybe they'll dry fast. I don't know how long it will take to dry them, but until then, let's go outside and look at my parsley plant, because I got to cut some off of that too. So y'all come with me. Alright guys, this is my parsley plant. I have it like this because I didn't have no room in my garden. So what I'm going to do is I have to cut, I believe, on the outside. So I'm going to cut the outside, and while I'm cutting, I'm going to have to, oh, move. I'm going to have to put my phone down for a minute. I'm going to cut it and bring it inside. Alright, it's been a while and everything is dry. So I'm going to take this and put it on the baking sheet. So now I got this baking sheet here, and my baking pan's up underneath it, and I'm just going to put them on here like this. Just stack them on here. Set your oven to 170 degrees. Once 170, pop your pan in the oven. Set your timer for 1 hour. Parsley, I did the same thing as I did with the oregano. I rinsed them, set them up on a towel and let them dry. When the oregano is done drying out in the oven, I'm going to switch over and dry these out. Alright guys, it's been a while since y'all been out here to the garden, so I'm going to show y'all. Where's it at? Okay, here's our cayenne peppers. We got some on there. We got one right here. I gotta cut my basils down. And then we have some green peppers. These are green bell peppers, I'm sorry. You can see right there we got little baby tomatoes, y'all. Yay. They're getting big. And these are our pickle cucumbers. You can see something right there. Those are pretty big too. And this is our strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this because it's dead. These are strawberries. They should be, I had one strawberry out of all of it that came up on this one right here. One strawberry. And it was eaten. That's the only strawberry I've had since then. But I heard that the strawberries start popping in June. Our collard greens. And then these are cabbages. They're beautiful, ain't they? They are just so beautiful. And down at the other end, we just planted some. Let's see what's going on over here. Look, y'all, I come in here about once or twice. Ooh, this is good. Prickly things on to clean the weeds out. And it's growing so fast that the weeds are growing fast with it. They're just little things like this. But I get them, I pick them. Gotta get back in here probably tomorrow and start getting these little side weed, these little weeds. Yeah, you see where the animals have been digging right there, but luckily we ain't had a big problem with them eating our stuff. So that's a good thing, ain't it? Looking good, looking good. Alright guys, I got my oregano dried out. I put it in the oven for, I baked at 170 and put it in the oven for a whole hour. And now I am going to take the oregano off the stem. And then I bought this. I'm going to show you. Okay, y'all, this is a Sboly. I think I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. But I bought this to finally chop my seasoning up. So I'm going to take it out of the box and I'll be right back. All I do is take my 2 fingers like this and run it right on down to the end. And I'll get them little leaves off. So I'm going to put it in this little chopper and we're going to chop this up finally so we can use it as seasoning. And when you're done, see, that was just the one I showed you. And it should look like that. And if it has little leaves on it, all you gotta do is pick it off. So now that I have my oregano in there, I'm gonna put on the top. I'm gonna turn it on. Uh-oh, okay. Just grinded it up. I think that's enough. Oh, yep, there we go. You see that? It smells so good too. I ordered these jars off of Amazon so I could put my spices in. Now look at the jars. These jars are super cute. And you could take the top off. In the box you get 24 spice jars. And you also get a silicone collapsible funnel. You have your white marker. So these are the labels that you can use your white marker on. You have some that already is labeled. And then you have your plain ones. And these are all the spices that you can use, or if you just want to do your own, customize your own. That's pretty cool. Here's the mess. This is just where I was. This is my work zone. So what I'm going to do is, the top was easy to pop off. This on. And dump this into this. Look how finely it chopped it. Worked good. Works perfect, y'all. Alright guys, this is my second batch. Let's see what it does. I'm going to pour it in real quick. Got a fresh batch of oregano, so all I got to do is find the sticker and put it on here. Where should I put it at? Should I put it on the jar or should I put it on the top? Okay guys, I found the sticker for it, and there is 4 different types of oregano, but they don't have Italian oregano. So I am just going to use regular oregano for this. And I'm not sure. I think it would be kind of hard to put it on the top. I'm not good at stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to just put it on the jar. It's still going to look cute. But whenever I was going through these to try to find the oregano, I noticed that they have these sheets in alphabetical order when you get them. That's so cool. Y'all, I like this. Let me put the sticker on. That's what it looks like. The sticker was not hard to get off the sheet, and it was not hard to put on, and whenever I rubbed it, it looks, you know, it feels like it's going to stick there. So I'm very happy with it. What do y'all think? Parsley. So, I got the parsley, so I got to pick them off the stem and then put it in the grinder, and I'm going to grind it up. Guys, I did the parsley like I did the oregano, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, I'm going to tell you, it smells so fresh. It don't smell nothing like what you buy in the store. This is fresh. Fresh. Alright, this is the last one. This is the last of the parsley. Yeah, I like this thing. I think that's good enough. What do y'all think? Let's see. Yep, it's good enough. Just pour it into the jar. Alright guys, I'm done. This is how it turned out. What do y'all think? I think it turned out really good. I can't wait to use them. This is something that came out my own garden. I'm just happy. This is the first time I've ever had seasoning like this come out my garden, and I did this. So I'm so happy. It's to me it's very rewarding. I think it smells fresher. I'm sure it will taste better. I'm just very happy, y'all. I'm just very happy in the way it turned out. So I just wanted to share this with y'all, and hopefully that if you decide to get anything in your garden like parsley, any herbs or anything you can use for spices, I hope y'all learned something from this video, and I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you. I really do. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate y'all. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.